How do elite hitters remain as productive with high K%? Imagine a hitter who strikes out more often than most but still produces runs and hits at a high level. How is that possible? Today we're breaking down how elite players keep their offensive numbers strong even with a high strikeout rate. First, it's important to understand what a high strikeout rate really means. Strikeout rate measures the percentage of a hitter's plate appearances that end with a strikeout. Usually, a high K% suggests less contact, but it doesn't tell the full story about a player's overall performance. Elite hitters often hit for power, which means they produce home runs and extra base hits. These hits generate a lot of offensive value, even if they strike out frequently. Power hitters tend to have high walk rates as well, which helps boost their on-base percentage. When they walk a lot, they get on base without needing to make contact, balancing out their strikeouts. Advanced metrics like exit velocity and launch angle show that these hitters tend to hit the ball hard when they do make contact. They often make solid contact at the right angles, leading to more extra base hits and higher slugging percentages. This means even if they strike out, they're still making impactful contact when they do connect. Line drive rate is another key factor. Some hitters maintain a high percentage of line drives, which are more likely to become hits. This helps keep their batting averages and offensive production up, despite frequent strikeouts. It's about quality over quantity when it comes to contact. Modern players and teams now see strikeouts as part of a power-focused approach. They accept that striking out is sometimes a trade-off for hitting home runs and drawing walks. Players who maximize their value when they do make contact, through power, walks, and hard contact, can stay productive even with a high K%. The walk-to-strikeout ratio is a good measure of this balance. Elite hitters with high strikeout rates often have a respectable walk-to-strikeout ratio, meaning they compensate their strikeouts with walks. This keeps their overall offensive contribution high. Finally, looking at the full picture involves combining K% with other advanced metrics like on-base plus slugging, weighted runs created plus, and isolated power. These measures show that players with high strikeout rates can still rank highly in overall offensive value because they excel in other areas. In short, elite hitters stay productive with high strikeout rates by pairing their strikeouts with high walk rates, strong power numbers, and quality contact metrics. They accept the strikeouts as part of their game plan and focus on making impactful contact when they do swing. This approach is reflected in advanced sabermetrics and has become more common as baseball continues to evolve.